Welcome back to the garage, welcome back to the channel, here with Mikey. Mike's got the kettle on, cheers love. On the last episode we looked at doing the steering rack and steering column fix. Whilst we were doing that and we had the engine somewhat loose, we thought it'd be a nice idea to fix what we thought was a leak on the mechanical fuel pump right at the back of the engine. It's a pig to get to. I don't know if you can see down there. No, you definitely can't see down there. Let's get a light and a whistle for attracting attention. Whilst we were putting it back in to button it up, we nipped this up and just go. Okay, so we're looking at the mechanical fuel pump, which would go in here normally. Now to get to that, it's virtually impossible without the engine loose, the exhaust manifold off, obviously the carburetor off, the air intake off, and all that jazz.
Water hoses,
pretty much everything off to get to 2 bolts on the back of the fuel pump. So we thought it was the gaskets around the pump, and there was a lot of mastic on there, so we thought we'll take that off, clean it up. But interestingly, but the main take home was that this this nylon block is absolutely perished. It's obviously from 1989, it's an original part, and it just shattered going back on, and has a sign of that it's been leaking for quite a while. So ordered a new one of them, ordered a new gasket kit for this, the fuel pump, and that is going back in right now. You happy about that, Mike?
after a cup of tea.
After a cup of tea. Let's have a tea. Alright. Alright, new part going on. This is from a company called Datch.fr, but obviously with Mini Sport packaging. And there's a part number, and that's what it looks like. Already with gaskets, which is a treat. They look like nice gaskets as well. I like those gaskets. So that's going to go back on there shortly. What you got, Mikey?
I've got matching gloves.
Nice.
Matching with the gaskets.
Love it.
So this is actually a new fuel pump, because we weren't sure if the other one was working or not. We were having issues with getting it set up. So we've looked at absolutely everything. Carb rebuild and things. Oh yeah, the carb body was cracked. That was probably where the air leak was coming from in the end.
It'll be traumatic, this car, isn't it?
Oh mate, I can't wait to see the back of it, to be honest with you. He's bought a lemon! This will be the easy bit, mate. Looks like loads of room until you actually get in there with your hands.
Yeah.
Right, okay. No room to swing a cat, like a screwdriver, spanner. That first one's on. Feels promising. Right, okay. What does the M? One bit on there anyway.
What size spanner is that? 13?
Half inch, 13. Same. Let's see, this one on the inside is probably the harder one to access. How's that?
What's up?
Going in there and not having it set to the correct direction. Rookie mistake. Rookie mistake. I like this little ratchet actually. You just spin the handle, mate, and it just does the turn for you. It's like getting stuff going. Yeah. Obviously you can't undo tight nuts with it for running stuff in tight gaps. It's perfect. And we've got a torque setting for this fuel pump. Yeah. A torque wrench.
You know where the bar is?
So I did? Yeah, on the internet.
I don't think we'll get the torque set in there.
Really? That should be in by now. Quite a coarse thread as well. It's an 11mm spanner, mate, isn't it? Turning, nothing's happening. 11mm, there we go. Jesus. As I said, I didn't think the bolt was that long. Just get that one up there a minute. Put that one up a bit. Good job I've got the skinny wrists. Come here.
1920.
Newton meters. But then, possibly. Oh, socket like that. There we go. Need a little tiny little extension, I think. Yeah, give me the wobbler. That's the problem, mate. It's either too long, or not long enough.
Age-old problem.
I'm gonna pop it off. What size socket you give me there, mate? Come on. Okay. Tell you, word of advice: if you've got a mechanical fuel pump,
Change it.
get rid, send it, mate, into the poubelle and get an electric one, because this is absolute pain in the backside, mate.
Got that if you need to let go.
I can't get the socket off now, mate. What's that one about?
Socket just has to live there, mate.
The socket goes with the car, mate.
Yeah.
Honestly, blank that off, put an electric fuel pump in.
Chopped done.
Yeah. Jeez. I'll be doing that modification on mine at some point. So we can do a video of that.
Yeah.
I'm not even going to attempt to put that on the other side, but I nipped the other side up, so felt about 20 Newton meters. It's got a calibrated wrist.
There you go. Next. Should we do that gearbox?
Gearbox seal. Yeah, can do. Send it up and have a look at that, shall we?
Okay. Small update since doing the fuel pump gasket, which is looking mint. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that up there. No, you're not. Fuel pump gasket looks mint. That's sitting nicely and not leaking. We did discover a couple of leaks. The tappet chest cover was leaking, so we've put new seals on that and new seals on the bolt on there as well. I can put a link in this description for what we used. Also, we've just pulled off this right hand side diff housing because this was leaking, so we've cleaned off that face and we've cleaned off the other face, which now looks like this, looking nice and tidy. So that should fix one oil leak that we had. We are struggling to find the O-ring for this. The original one's a little bit flat, but we're going to put it back in there and put some sealing product around there in addition. So that'll do that. A little bit work involved getting this drive shaft out. So upper and lower ball joints off, brake caliper off, pull the drive shaft out, and that allows access to that. Yeah, all the exhaust had to come off. That was to get to, I think it's this bolt here. The exhaust has to come off for that, which is a pain. I think if you've got the single, or Mike was saying, he thinks if you've got the single downpipe as opposed to the 3-into-2 that we've got, which comes with the stage 1 upgrade kit, that might not be a problem. We've just done an oil change. We've dropped the oil out, we've put a new filter on, so it's had a service, and we're going to take it to a car show tomorrow with a for sale sticker on it and see what happens. Mike is in the back doing, what are you doing, Mike?
Additional work that wasn't previewed.
Additional work that we've not thought about doing originally.
No, the little screw snapped off the screw, so I'm having to drill and retap that to get the
additional work to the additional work. Okay.
So I've had to drill and retap that so I can remove the butterfly, so I can pull the spindle out and change the bushes, so we can have a leak-free carburetor.
So previously Mike had done a full carb rebuild on this model. Why didn't we do the butterfly at the time? We got the wrong kit or something?
This is not the same
Oh,
carburetor body.
One? It's another one.
The original body actually had a crack in it.
Oh yes. So we'd done a full carb rebuild, and when putting the carb back on the car body cracked as we nipped it up, which would explain why we were having air leaks on that particular carb. So we had another carb in stock, which had a full rebuild.
Except for the changing of the bushes, because the bushes are in there. So I've got new bushes, so we're going to do the changing of the bushes.
There we go.
Hopefully that'll be it. It's going to run. Sweet.
Otherwise it's doing alright.
Yeah, she's almost there, mate.
Otherwise she's doing alright. Nice car for someone if they want it. We're going to put a price. What we do is, I think so.
There's like £3.5 grand worth of paint on it.
Yeah. Paint was 3. I mean, we've done. There's 3 grand in other bits, isn't there?
Yeah. Seats are like €600.
Yeah. Yeah. So get this car up to a car show tomorrow. We're going to wash it. I'll take a nice video of it after wash, And that rounds up this video. Thanks for watching. A few more jobs than we expected, but it seems to be like every time we open one of these can of worms, there always seems to be some extra jobs, but that's alright, it's fun, we're learning. We might make mistakes along the way, but we tend to rectify them as best we can and get it done nice. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you.
Hand on the key, the world stands still. Lights glow low, the night to fill. Heartbeats race, the engines cry. Whispered dreams.